In today's video, we are going to show you why Reddit removes posts and exactly how to fix it and prevent it from happening again. Let's begin. Okay, for example, you wanted to create a post and then all of a sudden, your post was instantly removed. Now, we need to understand why Reddit usually does that, or why your post was removed. Now, if I were you, I want you to go to the Reddit rules because this will give you so much information in terms of the rules and enforcement. Okay? So number one thing that you need to check is that go to your inbox for a message. Note keywords like low karma, rule violation, or spam. Now this clue is very important. It tells you what to fix. Okay? Now another thing that you need to do is check your karma and account age because some subreddits block new accounts automatically. Okay, so common requirements are minimum comment karma, minimum post karma, age account is around 7 to 30 days. And to fix this, you need to comment on popular subreddits. Okay, like ask Reddit, avoid posting links too early, and build karma naturally before posting again. Alright, another thing that you need to do is avoid posting the same link repeatedly, like promoting your YouTube channel, website, or product right away. Copy pasting the same content across multiple subreddits. Instead, I want you to provide value first. Okay, create a new post, participate in discussions, follow the 90-10 rule. 90% value and 10% promotion. Alright? And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.